Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this video we'll learn about delivery restrictions. We'll talk about what is delivery restrictions and how we can set it up on a user account. Delivery restriction is basically setting up restrictions on receiving emails and sending email to a particular user. Okay, so suppose there is one user whom you want to block sending emails to every user so that no one would be able to send email to that particular user. Likewise, you can just you can block the receiver so that no one would be able to receive emails from that particular user. So this can be done from the delivery restrictions. And in order to do the delivery restriction setup, we need to navigate to Exchange Admin Center. And navigating to Exchange Admin Center is pretty much simple. In the browser, you can just simply type in admin.exchange.microsoft.com, or either else you can also navigate from the Office 365 Admin Center. Just open the Exchange Admin Center. So you will come up here and we need to navigate to manage mailbox, or just click on a mailbox section here under recipients. Okay. So what I'm going to do, for example, this Elena Shepherd, I have this one user, and there is another user which is Kelly Shepherd. So what I want is that Elena Shepherd won't be able to send any emails to Kelly Shepherd. So what we can do is we can set up restrictions. And how to do that? There are two ways to do that. I can just select this user. I can click on this mail flow setting, and I can click on manage delivery restrictions. So when I click on delivery restrictions, I will get these two options, which is accept message from all senders, selected sender, or required sender to be authenticated. This include external user as well. I'll share you more information about this in a moment. And the second option is block message from selected senders. So I can add up the sender list. Okay, I can add uh, any email address here, and the user won't be able to receive any email from that particular user. So we'll just quickly set it up. Let's look into the other way. Okay, so I have already shown you mail flow settings, and this can be done by navigating to this section. I'll click on this Elena Shepherd. Let's go to mailbox. The second or third option is manage delivery restrictions. I'll open this. This the same page opened up, and here it says accept message from all senders. So I mean, definitely we want to receive any emails from everyone. We just that this user shouldn't be able to send email to a particular user. Okay. And this particular option I was talking about requires sender to be authenticated. It means that any anonymous user won't be able to send emails to this particular email address. If I select this, apart from internal user, no one would be able to send emails to this particular address. But we do not want that. We just want, as of now, we just want to block. Okay, senders. So you can definitely you add any particular user, and the this particular user mailbox will receive only from that selected email address. Okay, otherwise if anyone wants to send emails to this user, they won't get they will get NDR, and they won't be able to send message. So right now we'll just keep it default all senders, because we just want to receive emails from everyone. And we will be focusing on this one, block messages from. Okay, I will click on sender list. Okay, I will enter that username Skelly Shepherd and confirm. Once the user is added and it is saved, so right now the messages from Skelly Shepherd will not be received to this Alina Shepherd account. Okay, I'll just save this, and this changes take some time. It takes up to 5 minutes to apply the changes in the user mailbox, or also it depends upon the size of the mailboxes you have. If the number of mailboxes you have, so it could take some more time, more than 5 minutes. Okay, so let's quickly test this out. So we have basically enabled the delivery restrictions on Elena Shepherd account, that this user should not be able to receive emails from Skelly Shepherd. Okay, so I have both of the accounts opened up. I'll show you. This is my Elena Shepherd account. Okay, and the other browser I have this Skelly Shepherd account. So I'll just quickly click on new email. Okay, and I want to send it up to Elena Shepherd test. So you can see you don't have permission to send email to Elena Shepherd, or we can just complete it. Hi, this is a test. Okay, let's send it. Okay, you can see that the email has been sent. Okay, let's go to mailbox. But you see, okay, now you see that you receive one email more which says delivery has failed to this recipient, and your message could not be delivered to mailbox because you don't have permission to send it. So this is the message I will get if I send the uh, if I set up the delivery restrictions on this account. So this is how you set up the delivery restrictions, and you can also do the same setting for multiple user as well. So I want to do the same setting for multiple user. I'll just come up here. I'll select all the accounts. I will click on mail flow settings, message delivery restrictions, and I can just send add the sender's account or add the receiver's account as well. Okay. Once it is done, I'll just save the settings, and the settings will be applied to each and every user. So this is how you can set it up for multiple user. And that's it for today's video. I hope you liked the video, and please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do leave your comments in the comment box. I mean, your doubts in the comment box, and I'm happy to answer them. See you in the next video. Till then, happy learning. Goodbye.